In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Calendly with Google Calendar so all your meetings and events stay perfectly in sync. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides. First, open up the Calendly homepage. If you're new, Calendly is a scheduling tool that makes booking appointments effortless. The best part? It integrates seamlessly with Google Calendar so everything stays in one place. Once you're on Calendly, head to the Integrations and Apps section. This is where you will find all the available connections. Scroll through the list until you spot Google Calendar. Then click it. Next, select Connect Calendar account. This will start the process of linking your Google Calendar with Calendly. You will be asked to choose Google Calendar or Google Workspace. Pick the option that fits your account. Now sign into your Google account. Don't worry, it's secure. Just choose the account you want to connect and grant the necessary permissions. This step is important because it allows Calendly to sync your events and prevent double bookings. Once you've done that, click Continue and you're all set. From now on, any meeting you schedule in Calendly will automatically appear in your Google Calendar with reminders and updates handled for you. And that's it, your Calendly is now successfully connected with Google Calendar. Simple, quick, and super effective for staying organized. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover more Calendly tips.